Here's a quick video of how I updated this old faded couch using fabric dye. Someone gave me this 1970s velvet couch. It was very faded from years of being in the direct sunlight, but otherwise in good condition. I removed the cushion covers from the pillows and then put them in the wash on a delicate cycle to get them all nice and clean. Then I ripped off the skirting that was on the base. I felt like it really helped modernize it and give it cleaner lines. After cleaning it with a vacuum, I used an upholstery cleaner attachment and gave the entire thing a really good cleaning. Now it is time to dye this thing. We used a mixture of Rit fabric dye to custom make our own dark green color. We filled a 5-gallon bucket with hot water, added the mixture of dye to the water, and after stirring it in real good, we dipped the cushion covers into it and worked them until the dye had thoroughly absorbed into the fabric. Then using the same dye mixture, added it to a spray bottle with hot water and then sprayed it directly onto the couch. And we found that rubbing it in after spraying on really helped get the color more even throughout. So just a quick reminder of what this couch used to look like, and here it is now. For all the dye, it cost about $40. Now I will note that we did not dye the back of the couch because it was going to be against the wall nor behind the cushions. You can find another video on my channel that goes in more in depth about this project, and I will link that video down below in the description box. We hope you enjoyed this video and be sure to subscribe to our channel.